Judges are not making the decision quickly though. Taking a moment, they're going to look at their dogs. They're even sending them out and back again. Mr. Di Santiago asking to see the poodle. Another out and back. It's not a small decision, they're taking it very seriously. Oh, beautiful. A round of applause. A lot of tension as he's sending the poodle around the ring one more time. It's time for the Kelpie to have a look. The Kelpie having a chance to go out and back. Lots of cheers. Kelpie very excited. And a waggy tail. You know I love a waggy tail. The judges have a good look at the Kelpie with my short stand. Sending the Australian Kelpie around one more time. How exciting. Alright, so as we hear the decision, keep in mind, our standard poodle, Supreme Champion Bacardi is my aphrodisiac, is blue, and our Australian Kelpie, number 73, Supreme Champion Oakland Ruby Rose, is red. Judges have each made the decision. Have they made a decision? No, it's still deciding. I'm not sure. They're going to send them around together for the benefit of the audience and themselves, I'm sure. How exciting. Poodle on its way first. The judges giving them a round of applause as well. The judges very impressed. Oh, okay, we've got Mr. Santos waving us around. And the last to make his decision, Mr. Di Santiago.
Okay, the moment of truth.
We have all of our representatives.
A red, a blue.
One for the Kelpie, one for the poodle.
And a blue. Congratulations.
It's the standard poodle.
Commonwealth 2016. Trophy is being presented by our President, Mr. Shane Thomas.
Shane Thomas, the President of Dogs Queensland, presenting the trophy.
And our Royal Canin Rep, Stacey Guilfoyle. Please keep that round of applause going for our three judges who have done an exceptional job tonight.
A round of applause for our three fantastic judges.
Our winner and our runner-up, the Standard Poodle and
Dog of the Year for 2016, the Standard Poodle, and the runner-up, the 2016 Queensland Dog of the Year, the Australian Kelpie. Two great big grins. Right. A big congratulations. How are you feeling?
A bit excited.
I can imagine. Did you have a little nervous moment when they were standing there making you wait?
Absolutely. Very exciting time.
How are you going to celebrate when you head off tonight?
Bath him out.
Yeah. Get rid of all of the hairspray.
Yeah, exactly.
How many hours of grooming do you think went in just for today?
Oh, probably about 5 hours.
5 hours, well worth it. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Beautiful. It looks absolutely beautiful.
Thank you.